Hello, everyone. We're the Chapter 15 closing case dealing with DaimlerChrysler, and that was a merger between two global automotive giants.
Daimler was a German multinational automotive corporation. They manufacture everything from automobiles to motor vehicles to engines. According to sales, they're the 13th largest car manufacturer in the world. Chrysler. Chrysler is considered one of the big three U.S. automakers. American automobile manufacturer headquartered in Auburn Hills, Michigan. It was founded by Walter Chrysler in 1925.
So, why did they merge? Daimler believed that the solution to these issues was to expand its product line and its target market. By doing this friendly merger, they were able to combine and expand their customer base in the United States, and they gained access to a whole new product line. Their overall goal was to grow globally and take advantage of large economies of scale, and they wanted to reach out to a broader market and combine operations. They did that through research and development,
sourcing, distribution, and sales.
A not-so merger of equals. Investors began filing lawsuits because they felt that the transaction was really a takeover of Chrysler and not the merger of equals that the senior management claimed it to be. German dominance created an untrusting environment and a growth of resentment between the two firms, and cultural differences made it worse. A lack of commitment, leadership, and strategic vision prevented the merge from being a successful one. In 2007, years after the unsuccessful communication and development led to Daimler selling Chrysler to Cerebus Capital Management. In 2009, Chrysler filed for bankruptcy and took out billions of dollars in government loans to finance its restructuring process.
Failed strategy. Daimler Chrysler failed to realize that the companies operated in completely different fashions, and this is an example of how cross-border mergers are risky. They were not able to produce each other's vehicles and assembly lines that were outside their respective countries. Top management failed to understand the issue of equality and specificity of how their daily operations would be carried out. Top management failed to equally distribute their human resources and put only German executives in high-ranking positions. They failed to distinguish how the two companies' hierarchies would combine with each other, and they did not set a true leader.
And this led to mass confusion within the company.
Advantages of merging. For Daimler, it was to broaden their target market both geographically and economically. They also wanted to expand their portfolio of product offerings. They wanted to generate cost savings by accessing Chrysler's supply chain. For Chrysler, it was an opportunity to become the world's premier auto company. It was also an opportunity to increase sales through Daimler's extensive distribution network. The ability to increase product quality with the help of Daimler's elite engineers.
All right, some of the challenges they faced. Inequality in leadership. Who's in charge? Daimler wanted to avoid a hostile takeover when merging with Chrysler, and they never set out a leader within the merger,
leading to great confusion within the company. And a merger of equals. Both companies were automotive giants in their respective countries of Germany and the United States.
Some more challenges were through identity and management. They didn't know if they were a German-based company or an American one. Daimler Chrysler never set out where the official headquarters would be located, which posed challenges for marketing and sales. Top management was either mostly American or mostly German. This affected the values and norms of the company, which was changing incohesively as top management employees were either fired or left.
Cultural differences. Daimler, a German-based company, was known for being more of a conservative one. Chrysler was known for its horizontal organization, and that's where an organization has less power difference between management and employees.
They also faced obstacles with trying to combine aspects of both cultures so both companies could be satisfied, and that led to a poor infrastructure within the company.
Production and their target markets. Daimler is well known for luxury and higher end quality in the automobiles they produce, while Chrysler is more known for durability. Their target markets were nearly on the opposite sides of the spectrum. Consequently, they faced obstacles with trying to market their new products to each other's already established markets. Production also posed many challenges for the new DaimlerChrysler merger. Daimler's production plants did not have the tools and necessary equipment to produce automobiles that Chrysler was known for making, and vice versa. The quality and tools of both companies' automobiles were drastically different, and because of this, it was difficult to manufacture each other's automobiles.
Alright, so in our conclusion, the merging of Daimler and Chrysler to form DaimlerChrysler is a great example of how difficult it is to merge two independent companies. In the initial stages, the merger seemed to provide both parties with extensive competitive advantages, as each firm's strengths would complement the other's weaknesses. Partnership would produce economies of scale, access to new markets, value chain synergies, and dominance amongst the auto industry. As the firms would soon learn, though, their inability and unwillingness to integrate would soon destroy all chances of success. Power struggles, cultural clashes, manufacturing and integration problems, and the absence of synergies in areas such as research and development quickly exposed the disadvantages associated with the large-scale merger. After only 9 years, the firm split and resumed independent operations. The Daimler-Chrysler merger now serves as a case study for merger blunders.